Hello and welcome to the Lynn Life, everybody. I'm Jonathan. This is my son Justin. Will be helping out today. We're going to do something fun this week because we've been a little bit serious in the past vlogs. Last time was the 11th anniversary of Lynn's brain injury. I want to thank everybody for the nice comments that you've made. But this week we decided to do something a little bit more on the light side, and we have some snacks from Colombia. So let's get going. My name is Jonathan, and I'm a caregiver for my wife Lynn, who has a permanent brain injury. Things are a bit different now, but we're doing the best that we can. Join us as we experience the Lynn Life. All right, a few facts about Colombia. Colombia is the second most biodiverse country in the world. Over 63,000 plant and animal species live across the country. While football, or soccer, is the most popular sport in the country, Colombia's national sport is tejo. The sport involves throwing objects at a target. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's T-E-J-O. I think it's tejo.
Sounds right to me.
And there are 60 national parks in Colombia. Corrales de Rosario is the country's most visited national park. And Colombia is the third largest exporter of coffee in the world. In fact, I did talk about maybe getting coffee and sipping coffee while doing this. We didn't do it though. So just imagine we're drinking coffee. All right. And also, another fact here, it says that Colombia is nicknamed the gateway to South America. And Colombia is home to one of the most vibrant cultures in the world. So, and there's some other interesting facts about Colombia here, which I like to read through. It's always interesting. Today, we're going to try some snacks. And what's the first one here? Ramo Picante. Ramo Picante. These corn chips pack a flavorful spice and are a popular treat found across Colombia. Can you handle the heat? So let's try it. Why don't you give me the scissors here, Albert? So these are supposed to be spicy.
Spicy Dorito chips almost.
Oh, and they're puffy. They're like a pillow. They got a little bit of a puffy pillow thing.
Not really spicy. I don't really taste the spice.
Yeah, I can certainly handle the spice because there isn't any.
I just taste salty. Well, there's a little bit afterwards.
You're more sensitive to that than I am.
Like somebody put pepper on it.
Not very good. Tastes good though. I'm beginning to taste a little bit of that heat in the back of my throat. Just a little bit. Very gentle.
Very little.
Not much. Well, our next one is Margarita Polo. Did I say that right? Margarita Polo.
Sounds right to me, I guess.
You might recognize the packaging of this secret Lay's product, but the flavor will surprise you. Polo, which is chicken in Spanish, is a common flavor in Colombia. So are these chicken flavored chips?
Chicken flavored Lay's chips, I think.
Yeah, the logo does look like Lay's. Not thrilled. It does kind of taste like chicken.
It does taste like chicken. It really tastes like chicken.
And it doesn't belong on a chip.
No. It's kind of like a fake chicken taste.
All right, that's a fail. So the last one was a fail. Didn't like it. It was like a potato chip that had been flavored with chicken bouillon. And it may be a favorite in Colombia, but I'm not used to. That's not what I was expecting when I tried a potato chip. But our next might be good. Choquitos Limon. A true Colombian favorite. These lime chips are the perfect combination of zesty flavor and satisfying crunch. And I think I'll like these.
Yeah, we've
I've
had something like this before.
Well, these are like these are corn chips too, aren't they?
They're like Fritos, I think. Yeah, exactly like Fritos.
We've rebounded.
That's good.
Because I like these. Not bad, not bad. So these are good. These are a
My
win.
favorite out of the chips.
Yeah, so far. Yep. So that was good. What do we got next, Justin?
Mani Moto.
Oh yeah, Mani Moto Original. First created in Mexico, Japanese-style peanuts are a staple of Latin American snacks. Mani Moto is made in Colombia and uses high-quality peanuts. They like peanuts in Latin American countries.
Yeah, I guess so.
I always like looking at the packaging.
Yeah, me too.
That is a quality peanut right there. It's a good size
Do you
peanut.
have to crack it first, or do we?
No. There you go.
Out of the shell.
They're big.
They're good.
It's a large peanut, quite crunchy, a little bit different taste. I like it.
It's good.
Save those for me. I like to snack on those later. So that's a win. Next, Super Cocoa Candy. Transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise. I'd like to do that.
That sounds good.
What not to love about this chocolate-covered coconut candy? I love coconuts.
Wonder if it's like a dark
Chocolate?
chocolate too, because then you'd really like that.
It's probably a milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Let's see. Lynn's off camera. She's watching, but she's a little tired doing this in the evening. I was gonna have Lynn do this with us. A little too tired. And I like it. Tastes like a Mounds.
Yeah, it is a milk chocolate. And yeah, it definitely tastes like a Mounds. It's like a smaller, bite-sized version.
Yeah.
Good.
So that's a flavor we're familiar with and we like. So A+ on that one. Choco, no, super cocoa. Super cocoa candy. Like it. Next, Jumbo Rosca. Chocolate covered Rice Crisps meet a blend of creamy caramel and roasted peanuts in this fun donut shaped chocolate bar. And we got one, so.
Packaging matches a Reese's.
Well, it's orange
Yellow.
and yellow, all that,
But it's not going to be
it's
similar.
light. It's a Rice Krispie thing in it. Yeah, you can see the little donut. So it's we're going to break this up into a couple pieces because Lynn is waiting in the wings. If I can break this for. Here, I'll take the small one and take that.
Yep.
As long as I get a taste.
When do I?
Not as good as the last one. But it's good.
It's okay. The rice stuff in the middle isn't as flavorful, but the chocolate helps with that.
Nothing wrong with it. It's good. But I like the Super Cocoa one the best. That's my favorite so far. Next, we got two bars. They're both titled Goal! Soccer is popular
Soccer
there,
themed.
so both Goal! But there are two of them, and they're different. So we're just going to do them together. The first one, which is the purple colored one here, says score with this original candy bar from Goal. The bar features cookies, caramel, and crispy rice, all wrapped in sweet chocolate. That sounds like what we just ate.
Or similar, at least.
So we'll try that. And then we're going to go right into the other Goal.
It's this one.
Yeah. So I'm going to break off a little piece of this for me.
Yeah, the inside even looks the same.
Tastes
The same as
just like the last one. Just like that donut. Which is fine.
Yeah. Has a little bit more flavor to it.
A little bit. Now let's try this one. The Goal Mega, which says experience an irresistible mix of flavors by tasting the chocolate-topped candy bar that features wafer biscuits, dulce de how do you say that? Dulce de leche, cream, and caramel. Sure, I'm pronouncing it wrong.
This one's probably the same, but a little bit bigger, and has wafer instead of rice. I'm assuming.
Yeah. If I can get it open. Okay. Let's try this. I'll take a little piece. There we go. Seems a little more substantial. Better. That's what they call it.
More of a
Mega.
caramel. More of a caramel to this one versus the last one.
Yeah. The Rice Krispie treats in it. Right, yeah. This is a little more dense, a little more rich. That's good.
I think the mega one's better though, but yeah.
Okay, the last one was good.
Yep.
Still licking my lips. Anybody notice I have a new Mets cap I'm wearing here. Because I've declared, now that Super Bowl's over, it is now baseball season. Pitchers and catchers had to report this week, so baseball season, spring training. All right, next. Chokis, C-H-O-K-I-S, chocolate corn puffs. These chocolate-coated corn puffs might be small, but they pack a mighty flavor. Combine crispness and sweetness with this irresistible snack. Kind of like little balls, I feel like,
Yeah.
right?
In the same shape as like a Whopper or something.
Similar, but not. Not tasting so much corn puff. I'm tasting milk chocolate.
I taste a little bit of the corn puff, but not too much.
It's good, but
Yeah. Decent.
yeah, not a whole lot there. That little bag, I could pop that whole bag in my mouth and that would be it.
And they're very light, too.
Yeah. Yeah, they're kind of light. But they're good.
Yeah.
Next, Nestle Coco Set. Hang out on island time with these sweet and creamy chocolate wafer cookies filled with irresistible coconut flavor.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, we like the coconut. Oh, these are like cookies.
Yeah, they're like wafer thins.
Let's see how we open them up. Just take one little piece off. Oh yeah, it's like a wafer. What would I describe that with?
A wafer thin, I think that's what they call them. I don't know. Wafer thin bar.
Tasty. Not getting as much of the coconut.
I can taste it.
And they're good. I like them. Not as much of the coconut as I do those other things, right? That tastes
It
like a
still tastes
Mounds.
a little hint of coconut.
Yeah.
And it's good. I like it.
Justin likes it, and there's quite a bit there. So Lynn's got some treats waiting for her, doesn't she?
Yep.
All right, next, the Jumbo Flow. Jumbo is a popular Colombian chocolate brand. The Flow bar features rich milk chocolate, nougat, caramel, and peanuts.
It's like a Snickers bar.
Sounds like a Snickers bar, doesn't it?
And it's the same brand as the
That is-
donut one.
Not as heavy as a Snickers bar, though. Snickers bar would be more dense. This doesn't seem...
It's probably the rice, the wafer, the rice or whatever.
Oh, is there rice in it?
What does it say?
Nougat.
Oh, nougat.
It's a little bit lighter. It's got like a Milky Way. Combine a Milky Way with a Snickers bar.
Yeah.
Oh, it does taste the peanut and the caramel. Give it the Snickers thing, but then it has that
Is it nougat?
like a Milky Way would have at the bottom.
It's good. I like it.
Quiet chicken.
Yeah, that's a good tasting candy bar right there. Out in Colombia, I'd buy one of those.
Yeah, me too.
Next, Chocus chocolate, considered the best cookies in the world by most Colombians. Chocus is not just a snack, it's a complete chocolate experience. I'm looking forward to that. I like a chocolate experience.
It's like a chocolate bar, but they turned it into a cookie witch.
Oh. Kinda, yeah.
Oh, wait.
They're like chocolate chip cookies dipped in chocolate at the bottom. And they're very good. I love chocolate chip cookies. This is next level chocolate chip cookie.
The more advanced Chips Ahoy.
Oh yeah. Because it's got the whole base is chocolate. And then there's chocolate chips. Yep.
Did you like that one?
Lynn's asking if I like it. Yes, Lynn, we like it. And there's one here for you to have.
Yep.
You happy?
I am.
She's happy. And if Lynn's happy, we're winning. Okay, next. Looks like we got these like hard candies.
Yeah, they're all
or
like hard candies.
Colombina coffee candy. These hard candies take advantage of Colombia's famous coffee beans to produce an aromatic and flavorful coffee-flavored snack. Take one of these.
Coffee hard candy, I'd imagine.
It says Coffee Delight on it. Are they all the same?
It looks kind of like a Tootsie Roll.
Ooh. Yeah, it's not, well, it might be hard, but it doesn't look hard. Definitely tasting coffee.
Coffee flavored Tootsie Roll. That's how I'd describe it.
Oh, yeah, it is soft. Kind of like a Tootsie Roll, but it's not chocolate. It might have chocolate in it, but it doesn't.
Just coffee.
I like them.
I like them too. Very good.
Could
Very
I
good.
Please,
And you will try some, Lynn, yes. Okay, next. Colombina Bonbon. One of the most popular candies in Colombia. The bonbon is a lollipop bursting with fruity flavor and filled with gum. And we have two. One looks like lemon, one looks like orange. I'm going to opt out of this one because I want to save one for Lynn.
The orange one.
And she's already said she would prefer orange, so Justin's going to try the lemon. It's just get an idea of the taste and the
it'd probably just be
the outside. You're not going to get down to the gum. What does it look like?
It's like a greenish, so it's
Yeah.
probably like a lime,
Maybe
lemon lime.
like a Tootsie Roll pop is what I'm thinking of. Except no put Tootsie Roll.
It's
in
a
it.
lemon lime lollipop. That's
What
it
are the
is.
pops with bubble gum in the middle?
Bubblegum
Yeah.
pops, that's what they call it.
Blow a pop.
Blow pop. She's got it.
Lynn said it. Blow pops
Oh no, it's good.
from the background. From the sidelines.
Yeah, it's lemon lime flavor. That's what flavor it is.
Looks good. But yeah, I'm going to opt out of that because I want to make sure Lynn gets to try everything. But these Colombian snacks were good. It was only one that I really
The chicken Lay's
the
chip
chicken
things.
flavored potato chips. Not good. Everything else delicious. So that's gonna do it. I think we may bring Lynn up for the close though. Lynn, you up for a close?
Yes.
All right. So, Lynn, you got a lot of snacks that you can have, right? You're gonna eat all those up? Not all tonight.
No.
No. So that's gonna do it. What do we say at the end, Lynn?
Goodbye.
No. So here we're all gonna say it. 1, 2, 3. We'll see
We'll see you next time on the Lynn Light.